undercover fella, they need to, I never said his name the whole tape, so I never said his name, period. So personally, there's no beef with Joel Santana. Never had any beef with Joel Santana. Never had any beef with the other Dipset members. Just been Jim. It's always been Jim. Just wanna fry his ass. Everybody else, I want no beef with nobody else. Right? It's not a cop out. I'm still here. I'm still in the hood. Like, it's not a cop out, man. Like, niggas, like, I want niggas to know when they fuck with me, like, it's serious, man. Somebody gonna really get hurt doing this shit. You know what I'm saying? You know, it might be me, it might not be. You know, it's gonna be somebody. Somebody might lose their job, maybe. You know, who knows? My beef is with Jim. I want Jim head on the fucking stick. Either for breakfast and bacon, some fucking glaze, seasonings and pepper. Stick that shit in the microwave.
Fuck no! We out here!
What's up, nigga?
I'm ready.
It's over with, nigga. That shit done. Tell them they want to see you again. Come to the car, sir.
We out here. We outside.
Get this nigga here.
We outside.
This nigga
We outside. Happy. What up, little Happy? Yeah, we outside.
Yo, we gotta get you some tight
Baby
jeans, dog.
mama.
We gotta get you some tight jeans, nigga.
We don't do those. We don't do those. It's too big, man. Yeah.
Get it.
You missed it. Jolie, shut your ass.
I was here from 6 a.m. Hurry your asses
What up,
up.
nigga? What's up, man?
All right, see you soon.
We thought we could see us, man. It's gonna be a movie. What's going on? It's gonna be a movie. Huh? Where Boo-Boo at? We out here. We outside. Well, what the fuck is up, nigga? What the fuck is up, nigga? Who are these niggas?
I got you,
What's
man.
up, champ?
We got work to do.
Huh? You got sweet dope.